Welcome to a day in my life as a teacher on duty here in Kenya. From the bustling staff room to the classrooms, every day brings something new and exciting. Let me take you behind the scenes of what it's like to manage a school, keep the students in check, and still get some teaching done. It's early in the morning. I've just arrived at school. It's currently 6:30 a.m. First things first, I need to check in with the staff room so that I can make sure that I clock in and then go and check on the students. As a teacher on duty, I have to ensure that all classes are in session, the students are behaving, the school grounds are organized, and all that. So let's head to the staff room and get started. Here we are, the heart of the school, the staff room, guys. This is where we catch up with my colleagues and plan lessons, but for this particular day, I'm alone because it's too early. Before I start my rounds, I have to make sure that I clock in on this book right here so that once the other teachers come, they can also clock in and follow through after me. Now it's time to head out and ensure everything is in order in the classrooms. As a teacher on duty, it's part of my role to keep an eye on all the classes, making sure the students are engaged, there are no chaos, and everyone is generally safe. Sometimes that means stepping into the classroom to handle any minor issues that come up.
What are people doing in these groups? Hiyo group iko hapo ni nini mnafanya? Come with whatever you have there. Yes, come with it. 5 people, 1 group. Na ni prep time. Should you be in groups during prep time?
As I move from one class to another, it's about maintaining a good atmosphere. Where learning can easily happen. We always do our cleaning in the evening before we leave the school, but for the compound, we have to sweep it every morning because you guys understand the trees and the leaves. Coming. Kitabu yako ya not hiyo rudisha. Sizenu ni hizo zenye zimesaisha. Calvin. Sometimes the learners might stop you around the compound to ask you some questions, while others will actually follow you in the staff room for the same. For my breakfast today, I carried these noodles that I quickly fixed in the morning in my house. It's just a simple breakfast. So after the noodles, I had to reach for an apple, just something fresh to give me energy before real work begins. Then it's time to go to work. I'm invigilating an exam, so no room for distractions. I want you to ask yourself if this was KJ, sir.
what would you get? So do it as if it was KJ Seya, sawa? Yes, there will be no difference. Exams are the same, especially for mathematics. Kwa hivyo usifanye tu, jiulize kama ni KJ Seya ungepata ngapi. So do the exams while reflecting on that.
2 hours later.
Time is up. So bring. So read for the next one. English is coming, eh? Yeah. After the exam, a little break is in order, guys. I'm taking my tea with a banana and some cake. Nothing much.
Much later.
Grade 8. You don't want to read. Nataka tu kukaa. And you people, you don't know the meaning of preps. What are people doing in these groups?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Finally, I got back home, guys. It's quite late. I went and passed by the market. These are the things I got, not much, but for utility. The most important thing was this cake. I love cakes. I decided to treat myself with the red velvet. Okay, it's time to get into my evening routine, you guys. So my evening routine keeps on changing once in a while. Right now, I just skip rope. I don't do much, guys. A girl is tired but happy. Workouts are stress relieving, especially skipping. That's not what I wanted you guys to see. Sweat. I usually sweat, but I love sweating. So let's get done with that sweat. As I filmed this, I just forgot to show you all the products I was using. I know you guys love seeing the products, but for today, you will have to excuse me.
So let's cook dinner. I have already done my onions, my mixture of ginger and garlic, and kachumbari. So let's cook the onions. And yo, you can already tell what I'm cooking. Pilau masala. This is just a quick fix meal for me. And then I've also loved adding this masala. It's a mix. It has a mixture of all those spices that are commonly used. But let me not lie, I've not really liked it. It's not unique with anything. I don't like it anyway. Then today I'm not going to boil my meat separately. I'm just going to boil it so that my rice can have a deeper color. I'm just craving a very deep color of pilau. But you guys just watch out and see how I'm gonna make it very brown.
A few moments later.
Yep, my pilau is ready, guys. You see what I was telling you? I just craved some very brown pilau, and I did exactly that. The ones which are usually sold in hotels. I love it. Then a little bit of kachumbari to add to the taste. Wewe karibu imwagike, but yo, that's my meal. I just wanted hotel kind of treatment. And then since there is no time, I have to work as I eat. So I usually do a lot of stuff on this laptop. Sometimes I do my research, sometimes I edit videos. But for today, I just want to do YouTube research only. So this is the notebook I use for my YouTube. I usually write quite a lot of things. Yeah, you can see it's having a lot of things. I'm usually writing any ideas that I get so that when I come to film, I don't have to waste a lot of time. And so many other things, guys. And sometimes I have to go through to check and see the videos I've already done. You guys know I have another channel, so I always have to plan. Yep, it's super late, 10:36. Let's just shut down this laptop because we have a lot of work to do tomorrow too. So we have to sleep early. Hi guys, so that's typically how a day in my life looks like. I just want to sleep now. I'm in bed. Yeah, so I hope you guys have liked this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've really tried to film the whole day. I've been filming, which is not like me, so I'm quite tired. and I'm feeling so sleepy, even though I may not look like I'm sleepy. But it has been a very tiresome day working and filming at the same time. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I didn't want to leave the video without concluding it. I'm going to do a voiceover for that video because I've not been able to talk. It's usually a lot of work to talk at the same time film. I've really tried, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for everyone who likes my videos. And we're going to grow together, guys. Yeah, that's all I can say for now. Okay, so let me sleep and I'll see you in the next video. Please do subscribe if you've not yet done so, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.